the principal, faculty and staff of the Govt Romana College, distinguished guests, students and dear cadets. Let me say that the moment I entered your premises and the way I was piloted, and then the guard of honor, it told me that I'm in a very, very special institution. I think you should be really proud of your institution and give yourself a big hand. I really feel happy to be amongst you, to see cheerful faces, see tremendous amount of pride, and to see that being reflected equally in your faculty. It really makes me feel very, very happy. And I extend my greetings and congratulations to everyone who has made this institution and the NCC proud and brought it to a level where whole of country is talking about it. It's not just Mizoram, but the whole country is talking about you. And a lot of people rang me up to say that it is the Tute, it is the cadets, it is the squad, and it is the band from Mizoram which has made a mark in the Republic Day Parade, which went off this year. You have a very rich heritage and commitment to academic excellence. And I think it has been your college which has been a cornerstone of higher education in the state. With this, also taking on NCC, which instills discipline, camaraderie, leadership qualities, actually makes you much better than any other student passing out from any other institution. You have state-of-art facilities, you have a dedicated faculty, and a vibrant culture to encourage both intellectual and personal growth. Please remember, a student who passes through portals of an institution like this, which takes care of your personality, which instills in you values which will be seen when you start working in this world, makes you a much better person, and the institution a really good institution. You should be really proud of it. I feel the pride after entering your institution. I think we have an institution which is worthy of its name in not only the whole of state, but whole of Northeast and in India. When we talk about NCC, it's a unique organization. Starting from the junior wing to senior wing, it brings in discipline, it brings in qualities of integrity, it brings in qualities of cooperation, it brings in values which will make you a good person throughout your life. And like Kalia said, this is the largest uniformed organization in the world. And it really teaches you. It makes you a better person. There are many opportunities that it provides you. And I'm sure all those who get selected for the Republic Day Parade and would have gone and seen the other institutions whose cadets had come there would have felt that pride, that aura that it gives you when you march down the Kartavya Path and when you are applauded by everybody who's sitting out there, and not only those, but also applauded by everybody who's watching. NCC makes you a better person. NCC fosters in you those qualities which are called for by any society. I am really happy to see the type of dedication the faculty has put into it and the dedication the cadets have put into it. You also have a springboard to become officers in the armed forces. You have a special entry through the NCC, and I'm sure some of you will make use of it, because today there is a great opportunity available to you, both boys and girls, for getting into the armed forces and being a proud officer of the country. We gathered here today to celebrate your outstanding achievements. And I feel that these outstanding achievements have been possible because each one of you, has put in their best, guided by the principal and the faculty, the training officers, and from seniors to juniors in the student faculty who have worked hard to ensure that the institution's name shines on. I remember that NCC, when it started its first leadership course, long time ago, 1965. I had the opportunity to go for that leadership course, and when I came out of it, I used to think, what did I come here for? Now when I look back, I think that was the best opportunity I had. And to all those who have been on various camps, I'm quite sure, despite all the hard work that you do, when you get back, you must be saying to yourself, this is the best opportunity you got to be outside, to be with people, your own and otherwise, and to do things which you thought were not possible. That's what NCC is all about. And I would like to extend my congratulations to all those who have been honored today by the institution for all that they have done, like Under Officer Jaxi, whose exemplary performance got her the best cadet in the Northeastern region, in the Army wing, and all others who have accordingly been rewarded. May you all keep doing well, and it was a pleasure to listen to a beautiful song by the alumni, and I think he chose that to make you all rather emotional. So it's a day of celebration. Let's congratulate each and every one, and I would like to especially thank CO1 Mizoram Battalion Colonel Chhia for the type of effort that he and his team has. Right from the time that I landed in Aizawl, he has been telling me all about you all and all that you all have done, especially the cadets. And I kept telling him that I've already come to know how well the cadets have done. He said, no sir, but you've got to meet them. And I think I got an opportunity today. So thank you very, very much, Colonel Chhia, for all the work that you have done. And I'm sure that your legacy will carry on in inspiring all those who join the NCC and who assist the NCC. Thank you very much. Hello, Jai.